People in long-term relationships, what's the weirdest, most vulnerable thing you and your partner have done? Weird, not necessarily vulnerable. My wife and I went out drinking one night and both of us got really intoxicated. We took a cab home from downtown, which is about a 20-minute ride. Neither of us peed before we left the bar, and about 10 minutes in we both really had to go. The problem is that we only had one bathroom at our apartment. While attempting to decide who would go first, I joked that when we got home, we could try to pee at the same time. She would sit down and spread her legs a bit and I would try to pee between her legs into the toilet. We both found this idea incredibly funny and decided to try when we got home. For some reason that Spice Girls song 2 Become One popped into my head. So when the cab was pulling up to our place, I put the song on my phone and we ran inside to try to pee on the toilet at the same time while listening to that song. We were able to do it successfully without making a mess and laughed about it for the rest of the night.